Good morning, Year 5. This is your quick fraction video just before you start your arithmetic for today. So this week we're going to be looking at finding a fraction of a number. So we've looked at finding fractions of shapes and things like that. We've looked at representing fractions using shapes. But today and for the rest of the week, as I said, we're going to be looking at finding fractions of numbers. And actually you'll find this, I think, really easy. But this video will just show you what you're actually doing to work out questions like this. So we're trying to find 1/3 of 15. So what I've done is I have got 15 circles here. Now we know, the knowledge we've got here is that 3 times 5 equals 15. So here we've got groups of 3, we've got 5 groups of 3, they equal 15. Okay, or we've got 3 groups of 5 that equal 15. So remember, with multiplication like addition, it's commutative. So you can do it in whichever way round you find it easier. So either using your 3 times table or your 5 times table. Okay, so we call this an array. So here we've got 5 groups of 3. Okay, and then going down in columns, I suppose we've got 3 groups of 5. Okay, but they multiply together. All those circles add up together to make 15. So what I'm going to just show you is that actually if you're trying to find 1/3 of 15, you can split it up into 3 equal groups. Remember, with fractions, you're splitting something that's a whole, so our 15 is the whole. We're splitting it up into 3 equal groups. Now, what I'm going to do here is show you this very quickly. I wouldn't expect you to do this in your books, but again, if you get stuck, it might help you. So we want 3 equal groups. Want to divide our 15 into 3 equal groups. So we've got to make sure whatever we put in one group, we're putting it in the next group. So there we go. I have 2. Okay, now I've got 3 in each of the groups. So 3, 6, 9. Okay, and then I'm going to put 4 in each group. Okay, 3, 6, 9. That isn't right, is it? That's 4. Sorry, 8, 12. And then we'll go over here. So we've got 5, 10, 15. Okay, so when you're trying to find 1/3 of 15, all you need to do is divide 15 by 3, and that will tell you what is in one of the equal groups. Okay, so if we're looking at that, so 1/3 of 15 is 5. So if you want to, you could draw out a diagram like this and you can practice this yourself. However, what we've just proved is that if you divide 15 by 3, okay, so 15 divided by 3, which we're all really good at doing with our times tables and the division facts that we've done with multiplication. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so that is the same as 1/3 of 15 is 5, because we've just done that there. So 1 out of the 3 equal groups has 5 in it. So 1/3 of 15 equals 5. Okay, so you've got a very similar question in today's arithmetic. So like I said, if you're trying to find 1/3 of something, divide your number by 3. If you're trying to find 1/10 of something, divide it by 10, and it will tell you how many's in that equal group. Okay, good luck.